Hello guys, how are you today? So today is gonna be my fourth video. We did the eyes, the mouth, the nose, and today we're gonna do the ears edition. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have almost a full face of trying on the face features. So as you can see here, I have already my beloved paper where I have my eyes, my ears, my nose, my mouth. So today we're going to be trying to do the ears, and in the end I will going to be showing you guys some of my first draws of 2018. And after this I stopped for a while and I come back not long ago because I was thinking I wasn't good enough, so I did give up. I was feeling stuck. I have lots of different materials, you know, pencil, acrylics, and some other like markers. I have paper. I have many things to practice my art. So while I'm doing, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys. So I hope you like the today's video. So let's go and start doing a ear. So what is a ear? So this is like an part of our body where when we are drawing normally just show up a little bit of it. Only if you are like at sideways you can see the whole ear, or if you are like with very short hair on the sides, or if you are a woman with your hair behind your ears. But nonetheless is one face feature, so it's very important for us to do the face features, all of them. So I'm gonna be using my beloved black marker, and I'm bringing a gray marker for some shadows. So let's go for the first ear of the page. So this I can see, I'm gonna do this one here. So what I can see is like this round shape to the bottom and a small shape at the bottom. So I think this is the ear shape. So now we have the inner ear, see? And it goes under till this area here where the earrings go on. And we have this flap here. So let's put here a flap. And now, because shadows are everything today, I'm gonna do shadows with a gray marker, I think, to try to show it better where the shade goes on. I don't know if it's gonna be a good idea, but and I don't know how it's gonna show this very light gray. So I'm doing the shadows as I see here. Here I have some shadows too, and here, and behind the ear. So this is some of the ears shadows. This is like right ear, left ear, I think. Oh well, I think it's not important. This is like a mirror thing. So let's do another ear. Let's do this one here. So it comes the round shape and finish, because this is connected to the face, so all the face is gonna come here, yeah? So this goes here, small, in here, the inside area with this lobe bigger, and the lap, well, this flap thing here, and this flap here have goes a bit on the top. It's like this shape. So let's shadow this too. So as I can see, they have some shade here and some shade here and a lot of shade here and some on this area. So as you can see, it's not a nice ear. It looks like I don't know, a flat ear, if I can say that. So let's do another ear to see if it goes better now. I'm gonna use this space here to do another ear. I'm gonna try to do the same ear actually. So let's go. Round, bit like this, and here. Now the flap here is this shape, like a bean. And now the inner part, a bit small and a big here. And the flap is full of shadow. I'm gonna do it a black to see if it looks better. All the shadows here, like here, and this one too. A bit bigger this. It comes down here, all the shade, because it needs to have all the profundity, like how I say the word. English number one. This is something nerdy Jack says all the time. Ike's English number one. Yeah, I have the same problem. I know she is Greek, but she lives in, I think, in Canada, and I don't know if she born in Canada or she moved to Canada very young, but she's always saying that English number one. So I really enjoy Jackie. She's very fun. I really enjoy to see her videos. So let's go and do some more shadow here. I still don't know how to call that, but it's fine. Here's some shadows, and now we have a face with a ear inside, but it's always not strange. So let's do another one. So I'm gonna do this one here, but is more front-sided like this. I'm gonna do that one. Shadow, line. Now it's larger the line. And here the flap. More shadows. A line here. And it's not, it doesn't look like a ear now. No at all. But let's do another one. The thing is of learning is exactly this. It's like we do so many mistakes. It's not that much of a curve, but it's fine for now. Because he has different shapes actually, so maybe if it's a bit bigger, a bit smaller, it's fine in your draw. After that you're just gonna have to decide which one you feel like to do it. So let's do it again. Bigger lob here. The shadow here. Yeah, it looks more like a ear. You can put the earring now. So now I have an earring. So I'm from Portugal. Here in Portugal is like a very small art community, but it's a very big one. How can I explain this? Portugal, it don't have many people, so but we have everything. So we're gonna have some artists, but it's not gonna be like a huge number in number, but in percentage, English number one, is like small number of people. I live in a neighborhood where I have a lot of artists, so it's nice to be here. I live as well with a circus artist and a writer at home. So I used to be a cook. I cook at home now. I cook for my flatmates all the time. So I used to work in restaurants and bars and like on serving everyone. So I didn't have much. Well, this is not an excuse. I had the time, but I think I didn't have the confidence to start doing it. But now I'm gonna start making a course of media and art. So I'm very excited to do it. So we have here a lot of ears. Like you see, is like this shape with the flap. Never forget the flap. The inner ear, the lobe is bigger for you can put the earring, and the face comes next to it. You see, if you have some like hair on the side, you see now the eyes come here, and you see, and the nose come here, the nostril, and the mouth will come here with the lip and the chin. So this is a way you can start doing like your practice. Now I have a little bit. I don't want too much doing this video too much long. So I will show you on the 12th on December of 2018 what I was doing. So this was from Ray Diesel. I was like making the tutorial. This as well. I really enjoyed the tutorial she made. This is the one everyone can do it. This was my flatmate did in my paper. This was me in the coffee shop waiting to go to Thailand in this time. This is a sculpture I did and I did a draw. This is crazy. This is my key with my keychain. This is like a light with no references. For this is looking like that. A person, can imagine what's going on there. This is me trying to do faces. I'm not very good. Look, she's looking like she's looking to the nose. This is one superhero I did. This is a view from a castle. This is like a superhero I did as well. This is like on my inner side. Very beautiful with all the chakras. This is like a ghost. This is in Thailand actually already. I was traveling. I had my time to draw. So this was in a beach in Phuket. This is the street, one street there full of these umbrellas. Very beautiful. This is food. This was in January, 1st of January. This was a Ishkok, English #1 in Thailand cafe. This was the view I had from the coffee shop. I used to have my coffee, an elephant, a saint, a statue. So this is a bit of the things I did. This was a dream I had. So this was another dream. I can't talk this. This is me trying doing faces. I always struggle with faces, you know. So this is sound doodling. I don't know if you can see this well. So this is another coffee shop I used to go. So this was me trying to start drawing, but was with no technique. Was looking at things and drawing, copying the best I could. And I know it wasn't that terrible of the draws, like I really enjoyed this, but is looking at, I cannot do, still not doing like all the proportions. I need to work in proportions, in shapes, and understand the movement of the hands, the movement of everything. It's for this I'm doing all this training. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today, and I will do my next video of this series is gonna be to try to put this on the face and do one face at least the face, the shape of the face. So I hope I can see you in that time in this video of the face video. I will try to do, like, tomorrow is Sunday and we are in lockdown here, everything closed at 1, so maybe I can do it tomorrow if I can edit this today. So take care, lovely to see you guys, and see you next time. Thank you.